Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to log into your Kajabi admin account securely. Following these steps ensures that your courses, subscribers, and business data remain safe. Step 1. Go to the Kajabi login page. Open your browser and visit kajabi.com/login. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Enter your email address. Type the email associated with your Kajabi account and click Next. Step 3. Enter your account password. Carefully type your password. If you forgot it, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 4. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. If you have 2FA enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app to verify your identity. Step 5. Access your admin dashboard. Once logged in, you can securely access your Kajabi admin dashboard to manage products, marketing campaigns, subscribers, and settings. For more helpful Kajabi tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.